Preheating, warming up to a common kitchen term. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we're going to explore a term that's often heard in the kitchen, yet sometimes puzzles those who are learning English: preheating. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just curious about everyday English, this video will help you understand and use this term correctly. So, let's get started. Preheating is a compound word, combining pre, meaning before, and heating. It's commonly used in cooking and refers to the process of turning on and warming up an oven to a specific temperature before cooking. It's an essential step in many recipes, especially when baking. By preheating the oven, you ensure that your food starts cooking immediately at the right temperature, which is crucial for achieving the desired results in baking and cooking. To help you better understand how to use preheating in everyday conversations, let's look at some examples. 1. Before baking the cake, make sure you are preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. 2. I forgot to preheat the oven, and now the cookies will take longer to bake. 3. Can you check if the oven is preheating? I think I set it to the wrong temperature. These sentences show the common context in which preheating is used, emphasizing its importance in the cooking process. When learning about preheating, it's also important to know what not to do. Don't confuse preheating with just heating. Preheating is specific to preparing an oven or device before cooking. Avoid thinking that preheating is optional. In many recipes, particularly baking, it's a crucial step. I hope this video has shed light on the term preheating and how you can use it correctly in English. Remember, it's not just a cooking term but a part of the language that can enrich your English vocabulary, especially in conversations about food and cooking. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy cooking and happy learning!